welcome back to my channel. Here I present you guys with monthly subscription boxes, product reviews, and sometimes some travel and adventure. If you are into that, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell. That way every time I upload a video, you will be notified. If you are already subscribed to my channel, then welcome back. So happy for you guys to be back. And today I have a new box to share with you guys. This is a totally new box to my channel, and this box is it's 180 degree. This is a self-care, love and wellness lifestyle box. This box, guys, you can do 1 month, which is $44.99 every month. You can do a 3 months, 6 month, and so on. You will receive between 6 to 10 items catered to the mind, body, and soul. You will also receive a bonus red velvet charm or gift in every box, and it's always filled with unique and discoveries just for you. So with that said, everything else that you need to know I will leave on the description box down below. Because I really want to get to this box. First of all, I am loving the box. I am loving the decoration from the box. I love the color as well. So we have a sticker here. We're gonna go ahead and remove that. I have no idea what's inside this box, guys. So we are going to discover that together. Let me try to push this back a little. Ooh, look how pretty. It is so pretty. I love getting pretty boxes. So it says relax, heal, breathe, enjoy. Thank you. We have something else here. Okay, these are some maple cinnamon latte recipes, and we have, okay, they're both the same. That's pretty awesome. So this is our September box, guys. Everything that it's inside the box is going to be listed here. This is also my information card, okay? Let me keep this to the side because I will need that. Look how pretty that is. This is like so cute. You guys know I love cute boxes. I have to, if the decoration, the packaging, the box, if it's nice, I am going to say something. Oh my goodness, look at this. This box is full of goodies, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. All right, let me have my information card here. I have here 10 things to look forward to in the fall. So we have perfect temperatures, we have perfect time to take baths, football games, beautiful colors outside, and a lot more, guys. So I am so excited. Look at all this. Okay, so first item that I am pulling out the box is going to be this right here. And this is, so as the seasons change, we tend to get under the weather. This bath soak aids breathing during the cold and flu season. Oh my god, I so need this. Like, it's been days that I can't sleep because I feel so congested and I can't breathe. And it enhances the feeling of general well-being. It has natural honey in this bath. It has a soothing and calming effect, and I will be using this like ASAP. Okay, next up, from Grey Ghost Bakery, scratch made cookies. So we have a sudden family recipe. Ooh, guys, look at this. They look delicious. They really do. Next up is going to be from Tony Moly, an anti-aging pumpkin mask, and I love Tony Moly sheet masks. They are so good. Actually, this one I see right here. So this is a 3-layer pulp sheet filled with natural ingredients and soaked in different types of enriched essence to yield maximum hydration to your skin. It's going to transform dull and tired skin into healthy moisturized skin in as little as 20 minutes. Woo -woo. I have something from Via Mercado, and this is a petite reed diffuser, falling leaves. This is going to be fill your home with fall fragrance. Enjoy this fall inspired reed diffuser as a spread. As it spreads its delightful essence through your home, fall fragrance will inspire you and get you into the fall spirit with its notes of forest, berry, and caramel. Ooh, ooh, I am so excited. I need to open this because I want to see what this looks like. Oh, this box is so good. I am loving this box. Okay. Oh, and it looks better without the plastic as well. So it's from Via Mercato. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I've never tried anything from this brand, so I'm super excited. And this is the reason why I love subscription boxes. Okay, I might have to open it from the other side or no? Okay, no. Okay, so oh my god, it smells so good. I have not even put this together and it already smells super nice. Ooh, look how pretty. It's so nice, guys. Look how pretty that is. And it looks so expensive. I love it. And it smells so good. So good. Okay, next up, let's continue. Ooh, the velvet bag that I mentioned earlier. Ooh. Let's see what we have in here. This is so pretty. Oh, I love it. So this month's charm is going to be a Dragonfly charm necklace, and I love it. Look how stunning this is. This is gorgeous, guys. Look how pretty. Oh, I can't wait to wear this. So it has bling in there. Look at all that. And I love the size as well. It has an extender as well. Maybe like an inch. I don't think that's 2 inches though. I don't know. Actually the necklace is really pretty. It's not too dainty. It's actually really nice. I love it. Look at all that. Oh, in love. I am loving this box. Let me know what you guys think. Next up, we have a hand defense, and it's 40+ hand washes. Oh, this is so nice. Usually I have never received just the one for the hands. I have received the one for the body, and this is so cool. So it's infused buffer, and it has thyme, tea tree oil as well. And this is going to be so it says here, enjoy a luxurious treatment with Spongel soap infused. It's more effective at removing germs or dirt than soap alone. So cool. I will definitely be using this. Let's open it. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It probably looks the same as the regular. Yes, it does. But it's so cool. Ooh. Using this right away, especially with all the germs going around right lately. Okay, guys, next up we have, this is on some under eye patches, and they have retinol and vitamin C, and it's 5 in here. It's going to help reduce fine lines, wrinkles, dryness, and puffiness. It's gel type, and it's made in South Korea, so it's soothing and brightening. And this is what they look like. Ooh, there you go. And there's 5 of them in here. You're not just getting 1, you're getting 5. Okay, and next up, I think, oh my god, this box is full of goodies. Ooh, we have some socks. I love getting socks. So we have some fall socks. I say fall socks because they have the leaves. They are so pretty. Oh, they are. They do say fall socks. They are so funny. So it says here, who doesn't love a nice pair of cozy socks? They are always so cozy and can be worn any time of the day or night. Ooh, so pretty. I love them. I love socks. I sleep with socks actually. And next up we have Coffee and Tea Co. And this is bourbon pecan pie. Okay, so this actually goes, so this is fall for healthy snacks. So this actually goes with the cookie. Okay, so it says here 4 flavors just for you of fall's favorite recipes with a bourbon twist. This medium roast coffee will be your go-to favorite guilt-free fall treat. It pairs with the cookie. This is an old-fashioned flavor with a modern kick. It has ginger, vanilla combined to create a year-round chewy treat for fall days. I hope I didn't leave anything out because it's like my information sheet is like cut off a little bit, but that's fine. And then next up, which is my last item, we are going to take out the color black cozy poncho. So so many reasons why we absolutely adore a trendy cozy color black poncho. Too many to list, but we'll try it first. Ponchos are a fantastic throw on and go item that adds instant warmth and effortless glamour to a look. And I love ponchos. Let's see. And I love the color, is so pretty. Look at the color. And it's just gorgeous, guys. It's so pretty. So here we go. Make sure that you are following me on my subscription obsession because I will post a full picture of this poncho. So this is my last item from this box, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye.